Hello and welcome back to another video. So there is a lot going on in the house as of today. When I say as of today, we did start a little bit yesterday. So we have cleared out the smallest bedroom and most of the main bedroom as well, because Sam has started cracking on with that. So I will take you up to have a look at that in a moment, even though there's not really much to look at. But yeah, I believe that this video will consist a lot of the small bedroom, main bedroom and the ensuite as well, because we are actually ripping all that out tomorrow. Sam has obviously cracked on with the small bedroom, so I thought I'd try and film as much as I can. But yeah, we did pop to a couple of the antique shops local to us today, because I had some time to kill in between clients, and Sam was delighted to go as well. So yeah, I thought it'd be great just to show you what I got for anyone that may be interested, and I will take you upstairs as well. Please do ignore the lighting and the mess in the background. We live in absolute chaos at the moment, but that's what you gotta do. So yeah, at the antique shop I bought this cute little basket, really sweet, with these handles, which I thought would be quite nice to accessorise. And then I ended up picking up, I see these last time that I was in the antique shop, but didn't pick them up, but I have done this time because they were still there. So there's like 4 different painted pictures that I thought would look really nice together, like as a 4. So I thought they were really sweet. And then I picked up some of these beautiful bottles. So this one was like £5, that one was 24, but they often do drop the prices on a lot of these things, so that's quite good. And I thought I'd potentially, with both of these, depending on how it's going to look and how it's going to work, I'm going to buy some reeds to put in them. Sam had a look online and you can get some really long ones, so I might sort of fill them up with the diffuse oil and turn them into some smellies, but we'll see. And then I did pick up 3 old books. I mean, I don't think I'll read them, but they are literally just there for looks, and I really liked the colour of them, so yeah, thought I'd pick that up. I did want to try and find, oh there we go, I did want to try and find a small dressing table, because the area that we've allowed for isn't as wide as I would want it to be. It's not like a standard width of a dressing table, but I couldn't find anything in the antique shop, so I'll have to have another look online and see what I can find on there. But what I thought I would do is, I'll only show you in the small bedroom at the moment, as the main bedroom's still got stuff in it. So yeah, Sam has already knocked out the door frame this afternoon and all the coving all around the top, took the horrible blinds off, and yeah, it's looking a bit of a mess already. I have left these drawers in here because I am going to upcycle this Malm IKEA drawer set, and then I've got another one in our bedroom, so I'm going to try and upcycle those both, and hopefully they go well, but if not, then we'll have to buy new. But I thought I'd give that a go anyway. Nothing is ever straightforward with house renovation. Just as I stop filming and Sam takes the radiator off in the small bedroom, this happens. Now I've got a leak coming through down into the kitchen, so love that for me. I'm feeling a little bit more put together today. Can you believe that these are heatless curls? I don't curl my hair often because it never stays, so this will be the test of time to see if this lasts. But anyway, moving on from my hair, that's not the main point of why I came onto here, but Sam has started knocking out some of the ensuite. I wish I'd filmed just before he knocked it out, but had a client in the gym and he couldn't wait any longer, so I'll show you where he's got up to anyway. But yeah, so in the ensuite he has pulled this door off. Oh, he needs to get rid of that stuff that's in there, taken the bottom off there. The sink was here Obviously toilet and everything, that's all being ripped out. Radiator's coming off, all the tiles are coming off, and obviously the flooring will come up. This bit that's here is going to get knocked down, so this bit is going to be extended out, so it's going to be slightly bigger in there, and then it will sort of follow across here, and there's a cupboard there which is also going to be brought out to the sort of same width as in here. So have actually got quite a lot to do in the ensuite, but it's nice to see that it's being ripped out now. So we are actually using our bathroom. Last night was the first night that we used the shower in there, and it felt very, very strange. We've not been able to shower in anything nice for a little while, so yeah, that was lovely. It's the very next morning and I've got to head into the office today, so unfortunately I am not going to be able to film much of the progress that's going to be going on, and there is going to be quite a lot that's getting done today. But I thought I'd show you what Sam managed to get done yesterday. I think I did show you this room briefly, but he has pulled all the coving off, skirting off. I won't repeat myself. And I believe today he's going to change the window and the window board. He's got a couple of fitters coming over to help him do a couple of things so that we can get moving along a little bit quicker. And then if I take you through, oh, before I take you into the room, this is absolutely brilliant. So it's to protect your rooms from all the dust, and it's literally just like a piece of fabric that you zip together so that you can close the room off. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. I think they were like 2 for £20 on Amazon, so that's great. We've got that over the main bathroom, sorry, and the spare room. But anyway, so coming into here, Sam has done quite a bit. So he's managed to pull the pipes out from there, which obviously the shower was on the other side, and then in the bathroom he's managed to rip out all of the tiles, the toilet, the sink. This is another window that's going to get changed hopefully today, if not tomorrow. Obviously the sink was there, and today he's got to rip out the shower tray and the rest of the tiles that were in here, and this is where the shower pipes were. So yeah, he has managed to get quite a lot done in there. In here it's still pretty much looking quite the same. I've got to take that mattress away from in this room. Everything else is pretty much staying for the time being. And then this window here is going to get taken out and changed, and the window board as well. So fingers crossed, if I can persuade Sam enough, he might film a couple of little bits over the next 2 days whilst I'm not here. So we'll see how we get on. If I don't get anything, then I'll obviously show you the end result anyway, but hopefully I can persuade him enough that in the next couple of clips you should see some progress. There has been so much progress that has happened over the past couple of days in the house, but before I show you the windows and stuff that have been put in, I thought I would show you the bathroom pretty much done now. I have played around over here a little bit more, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't want to show you too much because you would have seen a lot in the previous video, but we've had the fan fitted here now, and then across the front here it's looking slightly different. I wanted to keep it as minimal as possible without putting too much accessories in here, so I think this is absolutely perfect for this bathroom. So still got the candle there. Decided to move the soap from down here to up in the window there, and because of this blind I can't actually have too much on the windowsill there because it just drops down onto it. So I have put this little bouquet of dried flowers that I've just really cut down to fit in this small pot here. I was actually going to have a nice tall bunch of eucalyptus flowers, but I thought this matched perfectly in this bathroom along with the pink hand soap that we've got going on there. And then I've just put these cute little ornaments that you would have seen in the previous video down there. And then in here at the moment we've got this the old shaver point, which needs to be changed for a new one, but that has actually been installed now. That will just get changed over for the new one when it arrives. And then pretty much everything else is looking the same. We've got our towels here, and then bath mat. But yeah, I am super happy with how it's looking in here. And we are actually using this room now, which feels so weird. Doesn't feel quite real. Just a quick update on what Sam and the fitters Ed and Tom managed to get done over the past couple of days. I thought I'd start here in the hallway, at the top of the landing, sorry. This is one of the windows that I forgot to show earlier on in the video, but yeah, we have changed this one at the top here already. The old one did have 2 parts to it. Oh, I can't even think of the right word for it, but anyway, yeah, so now we've just changed it into one big window. It looks so bright up here, so really pleased with that. Not completely finished yet, still need to get the window board and stuff on there, but yeah. Moving into the small spare bedroom, window's been changed, same again, need to fit the window board and stuff, but it looks so much brighter in here, in all of the rooms in fact, with it being white as opposed to the dark rosewood. Nothing else has really happened in here. And then this is where the biggest change has happened. So door line has come off in here, and then we've got the window fitted in this main bedroom. Have actually got the windowsill on this one. Super happy with that. Just makes the room look so much bigger. And then everything else on the coving and the skirtings have pretty much stayed the same, but this is the biggest sort of improvement that's been happening, which has gone pretty smoothly apparently, which is good. Ignore the mattress, that's going to the charity. But yeah, this sort of wall stopped here and went in slightly and then went across, but now it's been brought out, so it's nice and flush to make the ensuite a little bit bigger in the shower basically. But yeah, this is the cupboard, which will have a door on. So the door liner has been fitted, and then in here, got the door liner on again. That'll be where the sort of shower is. That's where we're up to at the moment. And then the window has actually been fitted in here as well. Although made a bit of a mistake and the glass is not frosted. So we do need to get that double glazed unit changed in here. But that is pretty much where we're at the moment. It feels like such big progress. I mean, the garage door has been fitted downstairs, which you would have seen in the previous clip as well, so I am super happy with that. I'm sure at some point in this video I'll show you what the inside of the gym looks like with the garage door installed now, because that looks really different. This is what the garage door looks like from inside the gym. Absolutely love the colour. For anyone that's interested, it's a gate grey, I believe, and it's an automated roller garage door. So we've got a box over there which you need electrics for to plug it in, and yeah, in the summer it'll be nice to open it up at the bottom just a tiny bit to allow the airflow to come through. But this is what we're dealing with right now, so just going to get it all cleaned up and put back together, ready for my clients tomorrow. just like that, the gym is nice and clean. The floor has been scrubbed. All of the equipment has been wiped to get rid of all the dust. So yeah, super happy with it. The last thing I've just got to do is get that mirror cleaned, but then we're all done. It looks so weird with the new garage door now. No gaps at the top. Sam has actually got to finish trimming the top bit up and the sides, so it's not totally finished, but yeah, the main bit is done. Before I conclude this video, I thought I'd give you one last update as to what's been going on upstairs. Now, even though there's not really been a lot of progress over this past week, there has been some, so I may as well just show you what's been going on. But in the small bedroom, we have had the walls chased out for extra sockets. So in there, we're gonna have another one put there. We've got the window board on the window now, which looks really good. Obviously, it's not all totally finished in here yet. I'm currently in the process of doing a DIY on this IKEA mound drawer set, which hopefully will be my next video if I can get it done in time. And then we've got the cables being chased out on the other side here. Door liner has been put on in this small room, and the window board has actually been put on at the top of the stairs as well, so it's not got a big massive hole there anymore. And then moving around into the main bedroom, we've got the door liner on here. This bit here has been boarded, and then we have got the wall chased out here for an extra socket, switches disconnected, etc. And then a lot across the back here, the cables have been put in place for the wall lights, and then another socket, and then I forgot what that was called then, to be put on this side here. Now, cutting this out in the wall creates the most unbearable dust. It's horrible. And then we did have a switch there, but it's going to be moved to this side because I think we're going to have like a sliding door going into the ensuite. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm sure I'll show you that anyway. And then in here, not really much else has happened. There is another bit of cable there because we've got a cabinet that's going to be put there with a light on, and the shower point is going to be taken away, so that needs to be gotten rid of. And then Sam has actually boarded this side at the bottom here. But yeah, I think that is pretty much everything. Hopefully over the weekend Sam's going to get the walls all prepped, ready for plastering. We did go around all the top of the coving and scraped off all the adhesive that was stuck on there. But yeah, so this video has been a bit of a random one, but it's been very productive and we've managed to get a lot done, so I am happy with where we're at the moment. Please do look out for my next video, which, fingers crossed, like I said, will be DIY upcycling the mountain drawers. I have actually got one set in this bedroom and one set in the small bedroom, which I am going to upcycle both. So please do look out for the next video. But thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching.